In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint. I'm going on Google, then here I type I love PDF. This is very drag and drop website. You don't need login here. So I'm trying to. So you can see this is the right side PDF to PowerPoint. Just click on here, then upload your PDF file here. So example purpose, I upload this PDF file from my PC. Now you can see this is a 2 pages. Now click on convert to PPTX, that's mean PowerPoint. Wow, my work are ready for download. Just click on download. That's it, it's already done. You can see. So this is a method how you can convert PDF to PowerPoint in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.